वेलकम टू बैरकपुर सीनेट पब्लिक स्कूल। सभी व्यूअर्स को बैरकपुर सीनेट पब्लिक स्कूल की तरफ से इस वीडियो में स्वागत है। हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम मोमिता गुजर गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट इन डिटेल अबाउट सेल। What are cells? Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. It is the building block of which all living organisms are made and the smallest unit of life capable of all living functions. In unicellular organisms like amoeba and paramecium or chlamydomonas, all the basic functions of a living being are performed in one cell, while multicellular organisms have well developed divisions of labor. So, their different functions are performed by different organs. I am sure all of you are very much interested to know in detail about cells. An English scientist, Robert Hooke, discovered the cell in 1665 while examining the thin sections of cork under his simple microscope. Robert Hooke observed a mass of empty hexagonal chambers like a honeycomb and called them cells. In Latin, the cell means a little room. The majority of cells range between 3 and 30 microns. The detailed structure of a cell has been studied under compound microscope that use light and can magnify an object up to 2000 times, and the electron microscope that use beams of electrons and can magnify things as much as 500,000 times. Let me explain you first about animal cell. Plasma membrane or cell membrane. Each cell is bounded by an extremely delicate, thin, elastic living membrane called the plasma membrane. It is about 10,000 of a millimeter in thickness. Plasma membrane is a selectively permeable membrane. What are the functions of plasma membrane? ये काम क्या करती है? It gives a definite shape to the cell. It provides protection to the internal content. Plasma membrane regulates entry and exit of the substances in and out of the cell. In animal cell, plasma membrane is involved in the addition, recognition and in the formation of vesicles and microvilli. All the components of a cell, including the cell membrane, is known as protoplasm. It is a colorless, jelly-like, viscous, semi-fluid substance which can be distinguished into a centrally located nucleoplasm and the surrounding cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, the protoplasm which surrounds the nucleus, is called cytoplasm. It is formed of protein, nucleic acid, carbohydrates, lipids and certain inorganic substances. Many small organelles are found inside the cytoplasm. These are known as cytoplasmic organelles. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of tube-like structures running through the cytoplasm. Some parts are connected to the nuclear membrane while others are connected to the cell membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum is of two types, rough and smooth. Ribosomes are attached to it. The reticulum is rough and otherwise it is smooth. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is associated with the synthesis of protein, whereas smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs. Another cytoplasmic organelle is ribosome. Ribosomes are extremely small, round bodies found either in the free state or in the cytoplasm or attached to the surface of endoplasmic reticulum. They are composed of ribonucleoproteins. The main function of ribosome is to act as a platform of work place for the synthesis of the proteins. One of the important cell organelles present within the cell is mitochondria. Mitochondria are small rod-shaped organelles found in large numbers. Each mitochondria is bounded by two membranes, outer and inner. The outer membrane is smooth and the inner membrane is pushed inwards at the intervals, forming crisp called cristae. The cristae lie in a ground substance called matrix. Mitochondria possesses enzymes necessary for the oxidation of carbohydrate. This process releases energy in the form of ATP. This is why mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosome. Main function of mitochondria is to provide energy for the vital activities of living cells. Golgi body. Golgi body was first discovered by Camillo Golgi. Golgi bodies or Golgi complex are formed by stacks of flattened membranes or flattened sacs called cisternae. There are some conspicuous vacuoles and cluster of very small vesicles near the cistern. The major functions performed by Golgi body are to store the protein synthesized by ribosomes, to form the cell plate during cell division, and they also set aside digestive enzyme in lysosomes. Golgi body also synthesize some polysaccharides. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are sac-like small spherical single membrane bound vesicles contain enzymes. These enzymes are synthesized in rough endoplasmic reticulum, which are brought to the Golgi complex. Lysosomes are formed by the Golgi complex. The main functions of lysosomes are they help in breaking down large molecules of the cell. During starvation, lysosomes act on their own cellular organelles and digest them. This results in cell death. Hence, lysosomes are called suicide bags or demolition squads. Vacuoles. Vacuoles may be small or large. These organelles are filled with liquid or sap and are membrane bound. In animal cell, vacuoles are smaller in size and lesser in number than in plant cells. When the pressure of contents of the contractile vacuole increase, it contracts, releases the contents. In unicellular organisms like amoeba, the vacuoles are used as food particles and are present inside the food vacuole. In animals, the vacuoles are often associated with the maintenance of water balance. Vacuoles are also stored various substances including waste products. One of the most important cell organelle within cell is nucleus. The nucleus is usually a dense, spherical or oval organelle. In a young cell, it occupies a central position. Usually, in bacteria and blue-green algae, a true nucleus is absent, but nuclear material is present. The nucleus is absent in mature mammalian RBCs and in the sieve tube cells in phloem tissue of plants. The size of nuclei vary from 5 to 25 micrometers. The nucleus is surrounded by a double membrane called the nuclear envelope, which separates it from the surrounding cytoplasm. Numerous pores are present in this membrane to allow the transport of materials between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. There is a colorless dense sap present inside the nuclear membrane known as nuclear sap or nucleoplasm. Inside the nucleoplasm is a tangled mass of thread-like structure called chromatin. They are formed of an acid called DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid and protein. When the cell starts to divide, the tangled mass of chromatin condenses into the long thread and finally rod-like bodies called chromosomes. The stretches of DNA are called genes. Genes is called the hereditary unit and the DNA is called the hereditary material. The main function of nucleus is to play an important role in the cell division, and it synthesizes RNA to constitute ribosomes. Chromosomes. A chromosome is a deeply staining rod-like structure with a part that is usually constricted. This is the point of primary constriction called the centromere. During cell division, spindle fibers are attached to the kinetochore located in the centromere. On the basis of the position of centromere, there are four types of chromosomes: metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, and telocentric. The number of chromosomes within the nucleus is constant in all individuals of a given species. For example, there are 46 chromosomes in a human being. The basic organization of plant and animal cells is the same, though there are some differences. In addition to the structures that animal cells have, plant cells also contain cell wall and plastids. Cell wall. Plant cells have an additional protective wall outside the plasma membrane called the cell wall. It is a relatively thick, non-living and rigid envelope. It is permeable and is made up of cellulose. It may be thin or thick, multi-layered structures as in bacteria. Different functions performed by cell wall are to determine the shape of the plant cell, to prevent desiccation of the cell, to protect the plasma membrane and internal structures of the cell, to help in the transport of various substances in and out of the cell, and to does not allow much of the water to come in. In this way, cell wall prevents the cytoplasm from becoming too dilute. One of the most important cell organelle within a plant cell is plastids. Plastids are double membraned organelles which are found only in plant cells. They are usually spherical or discoidal in shape and their average size is 4 to 6 micrometers. A plastid shows two distinct regions, grana and stroma. Grana are stacks of membrane-bound, flattened, discoid sacs containing chlorophyll molecules. These molecules responsible for the production of food by the process of photosynthesis. They are therefore called the kitchen of the cell. The homogeneous matrix within the grana are embedded is known as stroma. Like mitochondria, plastids also contain their own DNA and ribosomes. Plastids are of three types. Leucoplasts are colorless plastids. They actually take parts in the store of food and in the perform of the starch, proteins and lipids. Chloroplasts are the green plastids which contain chlorophyll. Green leaves have chloroplasts. Chromoplasts are variously colored plastids present in the flowers and fruits. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Stay fit and stay healthy.